Hello friends, welcome to our channel Logic Mart. Today we will learn how to connect Siemens S7-1200 PLC to Delta HMI through put-get communication on Ethernet. This project is on TIA Portal V16. Let us add a new block here. Take a function here. Okay. We will create a small project here. Connect an output here. We will give it an address, say M21.0. This output we give it Q17.7. We can rename tag as well. Rename tag. Let us call it as test button. We'll rename this tag as well. Let us call this at test lamp. Save the project. Compile the project. Compiling finished. There is no error. Now go to device configuration. Right click on CPU to go into properties. In Profinet interface, go to Ethernet address. By default, it gets Ethernet address as 192.168.0.1. You can change it as well or remain as it is. Now go to protection and security and go to connection mechanism. Here you can see there is a box and permit access with put get communication from remote partner. You just check this box. For testing, we will create a small project on Delta HMI software, that is DOPSoft. The software is open. We'll go to communication settings. Here we'll go click Ethernet. Go to localhost. Here we have assigned HMI IP address as 192.168.0.2. You can change it as well. We'll create a small screen here. Go to elements, buttons. We'll take a momentary push button. Double click. Give it address. Ethernet, memory bit, and address 21.0. A read address we can give as Q. Q is Siemens outputs. Address is 17 0.7. The address we have selected in PLC. Enter. Go to style. In zero state, color is gray. In one state, we can change the color as a red. Go to text as well. We'll give it a name as test lamp. Save the project. Compile. Compilation is successful. In next step, we'll download the programs to the PLC and HMI program to HMI, and we'll see the demonstration.